Good morning, good night, wherever you guys are. This is Deco Fanblade, and happy belated National Fire Alarm Day. And also, thank you guys so much for the 200 and, well, it's 200 now something subscribers. So thank you guys so much. So without further ado, I'm gonna set up my alarm system here, since it's the National Fire Alarm Day. And this is also going to be the last you see of this setup, not of the system, but of this setup, as it's going to get moved to a more better location tomorrow. So yeah, let's go ahead and proceed here. I also moved the button down here, so I'm gonna set this off in 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. There you guys go. Let me put in my code here. And there we go. That is the fire alarm on a radionic system. Let's just reset it here. There we go. So once again, thank you guys so much for the 200 subs. Love you guys, and I also wanna let you guys know of Nick Creeks and RainbowDash7x. They got really good stuff about fire alarms and everything. Go check them out. They're really good stuff. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Bye bye.